So this is the mounting system that is going to be on the new Novatec series of vacuum and water tanks. It's an interlocking system that requires no tools and introduces no threads into the process water. As you can see, this one is just a straight bushing, a fixed size bushing that actually gets put into this pocket here for use in the process. To remove this plate, it's just a simple rotate and pull it out, and then it actually installs the same way. Each of these plates will have O-rings in the back, so they'll seal and not allow air bubbles to get into the process. And this is the same mounting system that is used for all of the hardware, all the tools that are going to be designed and fabricated for this series of tanks. To change out the bushing in this system, once again, it's a toolless feature where you just rotate the part, lift out your bushing. There'll be an O-ring behind that. You replace the bushing with another one and put it back in place. This is the actual bushing assembly, but instead of the bushing, we have an iris that goes in here with another bushing that's behind it. And this back bushing here is designed to back up the leaves on the iris so that when you get polymer caught in there, it doesn't actually rip through. As you can see here, this is the actual split plate design. For those that prefer to use split plates, the top piece easily lifts right out so that you can actually string up the line and then it drops right back into place. This is the micro pre-skinner assembly here. It comes in two different lengths. It comes in 2.5 and 1 inch as standard, and can actually take a host of various tool combinations. Here you have a bushing and a bushing. Here you actually have an iris and a bushing. Here you have a rotating nut so that you can actually adjust the gap with a bushing. Here you have the iris in the front with a bushing in the back. Here's an iris and an iris. Here's an iris with a bushing. And I believe that's the total of all the combinations that we have so far.